and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be giving you my review and my experience with two products from Good Molecules. This is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner and the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. Both of these products greatly helped me with my skincare concerns, so I thought of making a video to share with you my experience and my review with these two products. Now let's start with the toner. So this toner claims to promote bright, even skin and less visible pores, and it's also alcohol free. Also formulated with soothing blend of brightening ingredients that works to reduce the appearance of dullness, uneven skin tone, and enlarged pores. So the feel of this toner is quite unique. It's not too watery as most of the toners that I have used. It's kind of in between a toner and a serum when it comes to consistency. I think the consistency is because of its high glycerin content. It can be used day or night or day and night, but I only use this on my night skincare routine. I dispense this in a cotton pad and swipe it on my face. You can also dispense this in the palm of your hands and press it on your face. And this one really just absorbs into my skin. It doesn't feel tacky or sticky. So the key ingredients of this toner is of course niacinamide. So niacinamide is actually a form of vitamin B3 and it's supposed to minimize your pores, regulates your oil, and also treat hyperpigmentation. This also contains vitamin C, which boosts skin's ability to defend itself against free radical damage and promote collagen production. It also has naturally derived arbutin, which help in improving the look of hyperpigmentation. And lastly, it has licorice root extract to soothe inflammation and inhibit excess production of melanin. So I use this toner first before adding the serum. So I use this toner for a week first. I really notice how when I wake up in the morning, usually I'm very oily, but when I use this, when I woke up in the morning, my face really looks very calm and there's really not a lot of oil production throughout the night. I was very amazed to see my face very calm with no oil. I think that this one really helps in minimizing the look of my pores, and I don't think that really a product that can really shrink your pores. And I think because it really controlled my oil, it really helped in making my pores look smaller. This is such a gentle toner, so if you have skin concerns like too much oil production on your face, hyperpigmentation, you just want to even out your skin tone, I think that this is a really good toner to have, and it's only $14. Now let's talk about the niacinamide serum from Good Molecules. To be honest, I was very scared of niacinamide serum and niacinamide in general because I used the Ordinary's niacinamide serum and that serum was very hyped up. Everyone was loving it. When I tried it, my skin didn't love it. It made my skin have this little bumps on my face and was so hard to get rid of. I have to switch into a very simple skincare routine and use salicylic cleanser from CeraVe just to really help with all those bumps that I got from the niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. So for the longest time, I stayed away from niacinamide serum, but then I saw this at Ulta when I went to the US and I felt like this one has a very different formulation than The Ordinary. Thankfully, this one really worked. So this serum claims to promote smooth, even skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Formulated with 10% niacinamide, vitamin B3, this lightweight serum helps to refine skin tone and texture for a brighter, healthier looking complexion. So this target concerns such as breakouts, uneven skin tone, enlarged pores and texture. And it's suitable for all skin types, great for combination oily skin. Of course, the key ingredients on this serum is niacinamide and it has 10% of it. This one has a medium consistency and same as the toner, it really absorbed well into my skin. It doesn't peel. So even if you layer your retinol, or if you layer your moisturizer, your sleeping mask, this wouldn't peel. You can use this AM or PM, or AM and PM, but again, I only use this at night with my nighttime routine. So as I've mentioned, I use the toner first before adding the serum. Now when I added the serum into my routine, I really noticed that it really helps smoothen the texture on my face. Face feels and looks smoother when I added this to my skincare routine. When it comes to sun damage that actually formed like a long time ago, I know that it's really hard to lighten those up. But when it comes to pimple marks, especially when it's fresh and then I put this on, you know when you have a pimple and then that spot turned really dark, if you put this on, it can really help in lightening it up. So I'm going to show you my night skincare routine. So I start cleansing my face. I usually switch between the CeraVe's Salicylic Cleanser or the CeraVe's Moisturizing Cleanser. And then I apply the Niacinamide Toner. And then I followed it with the Niacinamide Serum.
But I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings.
And then I used the Laneige moisturizer. And sometimes after the moisturizer, I use the Laneige sleeping mask. And also some days, like twice in a week, after the Niacinamide Serum, I would put retinol from The Ordinary, the retinol with squalene. And then I'll put the Laneige moisturizer and then finish it up with the Laneige sleeping mask. And I really saw a big improvement when it comes to my skin texture, and I also love that it helped me shrink my pores. I know that it didn't really shrink my pores, but because my pores doesn't produce a lot of oil anymore and it's way calmer, it gave that illusion of a smaller pores. I'm going to show you my before and after video of me before using the toner and serum, and this is the after. I'm very happy with my night skincare routine now. I think that it really helped with my concerns with hyperpigmentation, my oil production, and the pores on the side of my cheeks. And I just like how it looks in the morning because my face just looks fresh. It doesn't look oily. It just looks very calm in the morning. And I would definitely recommend this to people with oily combination skin. These are very affordable products. I think this one is $6 and this one is $14. I'm gonna put it down on the description bar below. They're very affordable yet very, very effective. So that's it for my review and my experience with these two products from Good Molecules. If you have any questions that I didn't cover on this video, just comment down below. I would love to answer those questions. Thank you so much, Charles, for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, Charles, again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.